Good morning, children. Have a nice day. Standard 7th, name of the lesson tourism. So, already discussed the topic, the basic components of tourism. We'll learn about. But now, let us discuss the topic, basic elements of tourism. Basic elements of tourism attractions. Attraction, it's a major. Basic elements of the tourism attraction. The certain elements are fundamental to attract tourists as travel destinations. They are pleasant. Weather, scenic beauty, historical and cultural monuments. So they are pleasant weather, scenic beauty and historical and cultural monuments. This is the basic elements of tourism attraction. So next, let us discuss the topic. It's a major topic. Geographical components of tourism. Geographical components of tourism. What are they? Landforms, water, vegetation, climate, animal life, settlement features. Another one, culture. Okay, now landforms. Landforms. Mountains, plateaus, canyons, valleys, caves, cirques, sand dunes, coral reef, cliffs, etc. So these are landforms. Water, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, hot springs and geysers, snow and glacier, water current, tides and waves. So these are the water. Okay, another one, vegetation, forest, grassland, moss, desert, etc. So next, climate, sunshine, clouds, admiral temperature, rain and snow. Next, animal life, wildlife, birds, game reserves, zoos. And next, hunting and fishing. So next, settlement features, towns, cities, villages. And next, historical remains and monuments. So the last one is culture, way of life, tradition, folklore, arts and crafts. So these are the geographical components of tourism. Another one, basic elements of the tourism attraction. Now let us discuss the topic, tourism attractions in India. Tourism attractions in India. India is a country known for its gentle hospitality. It is a gentle hospitality with spicy food and culture. Spicy food and culture. Visitor friendly tradition with varied lifestyle, culture, heritage, colorful fairs and festivals are abiding attraction for the tourist. All types of landforms, varied climate, rich resources for eco and adventure tourism. Technological park and science museum, pilgrimage centers with wonderful art and architecture are an added advantage of the tourist. And another one, yoga, Ayurveda and natural remedial health resource attract tourists from all over world. So next, discuss the topic, religious tourism. India being a multi-religious country. Multi-religious country, it is number of religion in our country. Religious tourism is the most popular type of tourism. Various package tours are organized for people to attend the religious rituals and to visit places of religious importance. Most famous religious spots of India are as follows: Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu; Kanjipuram, Tamil Nadu; Varanasi, Kasi, Uttar Pradesh, Saranath, Uttar Pradesh, Vaishnavi Temple, Jammu and Kashmir, the St. Francis Xavier Cathedral, Goa, Amritsar, Punjab, the monasteries of Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir. Seasonic attraction is a very important factor in tourism. Seasonary consisting of mountain, lakes, waterfall, glaciers, forests and the deserts are the major features attracting people to visit them. India is blessed with nature and gifted with immense beauty, from rolling hills to deep valley and snow-covered mountains to lush green carpet. Okay, next discuss the topic hill station in India. Hill station in India. The Indian subcontinent has 7 principal mountain ranges and the largest of all in Himalayas that lie in the northern part of India. Most of the Himalaya hill station. So, most of the Himalaya hill station in India are located inside states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Meghalaya. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala have hill station in the Western Ghats. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha have hill station in the Eastern Ghats. Now, let us discuss the topic, the beautiful hill stations in India. The beautiful hill station in India. Kodaikanal, you know, very familiar that place, hill station. Kodaikanal, Ooty, Tamil Nadu. Another one, Nainital, Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Another one, it is a very famous that place in Darjeeling, West Bengal. Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Shillong, Meghalaya. Simla, it is a very familiar that one, Shimla. Another one, Manali, Himachal Pradesh. Munnar and Kerala. The Gangtok, it is on the Sikkim. So, these are the beautiful hill station in India. Now, let us discuss the topic, the major components, the major basic elements of tourism and attraction and geographical elements of that tourism. Next, the beautiful hill station in India. So we will discuss the next class.